Hi guys, in my case, nagre-renta po ako. That's 18,000 per year. Good for 5 years. And by the way guys, please make sure to secure a signed memorandum of agreement para iwas hassle moving forward. Number 2 is meal site membership. So here in Negros, we have meal sites. I'll name you a few, like for example, Victoria's Milling Company, Lopez Central, Hawaiian, and First Farmers. So, kailangan mo maging membro sa kada isang meal site para marami kang options kung saan mo gusto i-deliver yung harvested crop mo. Kasi nagadepende din ito sa presyo ng kalamay per year or binibidding din to. So, mas maraming options, mas mabuti. So, number 3 will be the needed requirements on how to become a member sa isang asosasyon under sa isang mill site. So, keep on watching guys. Thank you. Number 3 is certificate of registration. So guys, bago ka makakuha nito, mas mabuti kung meron ka mga photocopies ng memorandum of agreement, photocopy of CLOA title or land title, photocopy of your valid IDs, and barangay certificate. So, pag pumunta ka doon sa mill site, maraming asosasyon. So, magpipili ka doon kung anong asosasyon yung gusto mong salihan. And then after that, they will require you to submit all those necessary requirements I just mentioned sa BIR. And then BIR will give you the 2303 form to fill out. Then after that, ibabalik mo yan sa asosasyon para maging isa ka ng membro at pwede ka nang mag-deliver ng harvested crop mo. Bibigyan ka din nila ng trip ticket. Yun lang. Guys, thank you for watching. God bless us all. And mga farm buddies, I'll try to create another video kung paano naman ang pagtatanim, anong mga preparasyon at mga experience ko din as a first time farmer. Ilalagay ko po sa video. So guys, if you think na para sa iyo tong video, patulong naman, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Babush!